So what is nasogastric insufflation? Nasogastric insufflation is a procedure in which the thin plastic tube is inserted to the nostrils towards to the esophagus down to the stomach. So naso means nose or nasal, and gastric means any related to stomach. So nasogastric is nose to stomach. What are the some conditions that may require tube feeding? Ito po yung meron. Difficulty in swallowing, na-stroke na patients, paralyzed, saka yung mga unconscious. So who can insert NG tubes? Only healthcare professionals such as nurses and doctors na well-trained po. For us, CNAs, we can assist only. So what are the equipments we need? Sir, wala kasi kaming NGT. So parang gasto lang po. And then glass and straw with water, basin, tape, 60 ml na syringe, gloves, and KY gel, sir, lubricant, gown, and underpants. So Mrs. Johnson, Sherry May will tackle the procedure.
The first step po, you need to review the physician's order po for the patients needed po. Like kung tama po yung tube na gamit, yung measurement po, and aspirate if have po. And then next step po, introduce yourself to the patient and also check the patient's identification, like her name, or date of birth, and also the registration number. And the next step po, set up and sanitize your yung gagamitin nyo pong mga gamit. Then, pagkatapos po, explain po kay patient yung gagawin. Like, good afternoon, Mrs. Johnson. I'll be doing po nasogastric intubation po sa inyo. And then,
ano ba naman yung Catherine? Cap.
This will be a little uncomfortable to you, but not too much painful. Then you can ask po si patient if she can swallow po while you're inserting the NG tube. And also, after po nun, pwede po siyang you can ask her also po kung if she wants you to stop, she can just raise her hand po. And after that, sanitize naman. Yung position po ni client, upright or powder position po.
Parang 45. Sira ka. Kabilang wala.
Jeff?
Jeff!
Ipo-pull mo muna siya. Jeff, i-pull mo muna siya bago mo iikot-ikot. Yan, i-push mo pabalik. No, erase. Balik.
Yan, tapos yung kabilang hawak ng kamay.
Ah, si patient na lang ang nag-adjust.
Yan, yan. Yan isa pa, yan isa. Yan. Okay na. Yung isa. Yan.
Yan, okay na po.
45.
Ang first step po, pag magme-measure po tayo ng NG tube from nose po to ear lobe, then after po yan, dito po sa side po.
Xiphoid.
Xiphoid po. Then you can mark po using your pen or tape po.
Can we all say that? From your nose to the earlobe and then to the xiphoid process. Your xiphoid process is also called the breastbone or tip ng breastbone.
Then after po,
Why do you have to measure that? Bakit kailangan i-measure?
hindi masobra yung ipapasok po yung
So you mean you will insert the tube up to the line that you have marked? Ah, okay.
then po you can clean your patient's face po, here po, face, then also the nose using a wet towel, and also after that po cotton po na may alcohol po. So mas mag-stick po yung tape ng matibay po
Pag dry ang skin? Okay.
pag hindi po then after po nun, pag i-insert na po natin yung NG tube po, taas nyo lang po yung tilt lang po yung face ni client, then also yung nose patient and client.
Liz, pwede ikaw mag-assist sa kanya tapos magsalita ka tapos si Liz ang gagawa. Ay, may gagawin ka pa ba? Oh, yun na lang. So, kunwari ikaw si doktor, kunwari bago kang doktor, tapos siya yung kumadrona sa hospital. O dali, ikaw maghawak, turuan mo siya kung anong gagawin kunwari.
Insert paso.
Hindi may papasok yan, so ipasok mo dito ganun.
Pagka-insert po, you can ask po si client if he can swallow.
Okay, tell your patient.
Mrs. Johnson, I will be inserting you now. Now I'm inserting. Yes, if you can swallow, please.
Si nurse, prepare ka ng ano. Hindi kailangan mo ipasok. Mag-prepare ka ng baso, di ba? Di ba sabi mo? I will insert and while I'll move forward with the tube, you have to also...
Zip.
Oh, sabihin mo sa patient.
Mag-zip po kayo habang.
Oh, dali.
Habang pinapasok po.
Kapag po napansin niyo kung si patient po nag-uubo po, nabubulunan na, i-withdraw niyo na po agad or nag-iiba na po yung color niya.
Nagiging green siya. So again, let's talk about that. So when do you stop? Okay? Number one, if the patient's coughing too much, tapos hindi makain, nagva-vomit na siya. Okay? And then if the face turns red, it means na nahihirapan na si patient huminga or na-blue na siya, so it means wala siyang hininga. And then maybe if there's blood, it could stop also. Irritation also. But which nostril or which hole ng nose ka dapat mag-insert? The right or the left?